Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel for those of you who are new. My name is Dipped in Black, also known as Kettle, and today we'll be playing with Crayola crayons. Recently, I've been able to come in contact with a huge amount of Crayola crayons, as you guys can see. So, in receiving these, I decided that I wanted to do some form of a painting or some form of art with the crayons. So I did some research. I looked online about different ways that people have used crayons in order to make art. Another way, besides just drawing on regular paper, another way was melting them. So I decided that I wanted to try two different methods. As you continue to watch, we're gonna explore which way, I guess, is better than the other way in melting the crayons. Let's go ahead and switch over to the first method. For these two projects, we are going to be using Crayola crayons, an X-Acto knife, a glue gun, heat gun, torch, and a canvas. For the first two steps, the first thing you're going to do is going to cut off all the extra paper on the crayons. Then you're going to glue it to the canvas. After that, the next step, you're going to grab your heat gun and go ahead and start blowing it up. The heat gun that I have is a 300 watt. I recommend something a lot hotter. As you guys continue to watch the video, you can see that I sped up the video. So this took me a lot longer than it should have. And I guess because my heat gun was so low, it took me longer. It took a while for the heat gun to heat up itself and then to actually melt the crayons. I would say about 2 minutes in, the crayons started to melt. But you guys can see it's doing a great job. How it's spreading the wax like this. So if you decide to do this project, a little ways to keep it less messy is to go to Dollar Tree, grab you a plastic tablecloth, and put the canvas on top of that, because when you melt the wax or the crayons, it's definitely going to leak off of the canvas. So you want something to be able to catch it so you don't mess up your tables. I made a little makeshift box out of cardboard paper or a cardboard poster board, and I turned it into like a little area where you can like put your paints. If anything leaks or anything spills, it'll be contained inside the box. And this is what you see what I'm working in right now. Lastly, I put a rock under my canvas so it can have like a leaning or dripping effect, so it's not just sitting on the canvas, it's actually pouring off of the canvas. So this is how the first one turned out, as you guys saw. It's on canvas. It's actually pretty sturdy as well too. Now, let's go ahead and get into the second method. So for this method, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna grab our glue gun, we're gonna grab our crayons that have already been cut off the extra paper, we're gonna glue them to the canvas. This time I chose to be a little bit more sporadic with the crayons because I wanted a nice full range of colors across the canvas. Then I decided to put pieces of white pieces in between. So now we're going to go ahead and grab our torch. So as you see right here, I decided to switch back to the heat gun because the torch was doing a great job, but it started to burn the canvas. So I was thinking I might as well just grab the heat gun and finish everything off. Plus, while I was using the heat gun, I started to notice that it was doing a lot better job than the torch was, especially pushing the wax around the canvas. This is coming out to be really, really nice, you guys. I did not expect for the torch to push the wax and to blend the colors this well. And we're not even halfway done yet. Alright, you guys, so I want you all to comment down below, what is your favorite color in this whole entire palette of crayons? Mine, definitely the green.
Here's a better view of the second canvas. I love how both of these came out, especially the second one. I was having a hard time at first using the torch because it started to burn the canvas a little bit. But switching over back to the heat gun and just, you know, taking your time and being patient, it came out nice. Have you ever played with Crayola crayons? Have you ever tried melting them in a different method, or have you ever tried using them to color or use them for any type of other type of art? If you have, comment down below. Alright, you guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can know every time that I post a video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.